and sees what this design is gonna bring to us. Oh, okay, it has a different effect too. All right. Okay, so now if you feel like I have a bit cuticle oils on me, so I'm not sure that I'm rubbing good. So I'm gonna get just a paper towel, give it a good rub. I think it transferred really good already. I just wanna double make sure I got that. Everyone ready? Oh, it's so stunning. It doesn't want to come off. There you go. It looks so stunning by itself. And it chant for everything. Looks cool though. It's like a chromes, but it had the effects on it. So I'm gonna using condensed glue gels. One of my favorites for crystal placement. This crystals is don't go anywhere but stay on the nails. I love that all mixed frames and everything. I think I need the frames, oh, the silver frame. I just saw it right here. No, the gold and silver frame right there. We have them so sorry. I have so many of them on the stations. I always want to get ready. I might need some of that for you ladies. I am going to using condensed glue gels, and I will blend it nicely because it's really thick density, which is normal. That if you get it, you'll be expecting it's gonna be thick density, which is awesome because you don't want it runny. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with this. Can you see it? If I move it, it looks. And now we're gonna using a no wipe top coat. I'm curious as how it's gonna be like with matte top coat. It's not gonna have, it looks like a unicorn's look. This one looks good in the black as well. The same with our. All right. Let's move on to this one. I'm gonna get this frame. This frame, the 2K. You see, we're doing a lot on the cuticles, but let's do it a little bit different this time. I think it might be in tribal art. I think. I like that. And I want this. I want everything. It's so cute. keep my hand, my finger, the nails is flat, so then it won't running because I tilt the fingernails down. One of my favorites here is to I know I really like combination of the kind of tribal art with the frame. It just really give it some extra dimension. Okay, I can't see it from far away. I'm gonna move it closer. File that. Try another one, and then another one. Get the frame from the collection right there. And now I'm gonna add some, looks cool. Okay, I'm gonna pull off the camera just a second because I think I couldn't see it far away from there. It's hard for me to adjusting it. Just a second, sorry everyone. Here you go. Give it right back to you. Up. Anyone's have been watching any fun movie lately? Any suggest at all for the new one? I've been watching a lot of like cartoon movie with my kids. Actually, it's watching a lot of like kids movie. I've been watching with them instead of like Netflix. I really want to like some recommendation. Oh my god, I know, Jessica. I said, Doctor, I watched that the other day, like not like like recently, but before I could watch it. Oh, who's gonna care about that? And then I get addicted to it and watching an hours. Didn't know that, you know, Doctor Pimple Popper. My kids love to watch that too, and I'm watching it, and it's, oh my goodness, I just spend an hour to watch it. It's kind of relaxing and feels so satisfied. It could be if you feel like, oh my god, it's so. I always wonder, is that real or not? Do you think it's real? Is it ever real like that? Great. If you're happy with this, then you can go ahead and key it for 60 seconds. But before that, I'm gonna adjust. You see that how I'm adjusting it? Just adjust them, and make sure you're happy before you key it. Great. So when you get like, can you put the nails in right here? Nails, and I'm adjusting it right here. Thank you. I have it off on my camera right now. So I'm adjusting it before I'm really keying. I freaking love this design, and it's really cool. I feel like I'm a Sarah right now. It's just so artistic. See, so you never underestimate. You can always place a lot with your crystal placement. Great. Okay, final looks, everyone, before I key it. Ta-da! My little amber tablet was really stand out, and I'm really happy with that. Put this one away so it won't be in our way. Okay. Taran, thank you so much, Fancy Finger. Yes, pretty Nuna. Nuna, did you get chance to DM us? Or you probably email us with the your jar. The jar is sewing is just like seeing is broken. No, we'll take care of you. We'll send you brand new ones. Thank you so much, Mirandy, Foxy. And I'm gonna do before I'm gonna wipe with alcohol, I'm gonna using precision glue to double secure this. Nuna, your nails, your beautiful nails that you did design, it's so gorgeous. Thank you so much for sharing with us. Here you go. I'm feeling right here. If I'm feeling closer, I feel that it needs to be filled in. I love this tablet, but also it's great to have this precision glues, and it's still so nice. I can't wait to watch Baby Yoda. What's a Baby Yoda from Mandalorians? I'm watching it 8 episodes in one night. Each episode 45 minutes, one night is like 8 hours. No sleep. But I can't wait. You tell me to watch episodes and it'll have me wait for next day. I do not think so. I was like that when I was little. I was like, I want to do it now. So I have to keep myself really busy, because then otherwise it's going to drive me nuts, because I can't wait until next fall to watching that again. So before I gear, I'm going to using a twin tip brush and then blend all that, the extra precision glue. And on the same thing with this side. So then that way after you gear the nails, it's going to look so beautiful and flawless. Great. Gear for 60 seconds.